Welcome to Overseas Edu Guide. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon.
I'm Amrita, your guide here at Overseas Edu Guide. So we were in the German series talking about what can be studied in Germany, and so far we have seen in the other videos about the education and stuff like that. Today let's talk about MBA in Germany. So when we talk about German universities and MBA in German universities, the first question that would arise in anyone's mind is, after completing an MBA in Germany, how is that going to make you more money than you would have done MBA in your local college or in your home country? So for that, I don't think that question is really valid, because when you think of doing an MBA in a monetary point of view, it actually is restricted, because you should be asking yourself a question that how eager am I to study in Germany, or how eager am I to expose to something new. This should be rather a relevant question, because MBA is again not free. You will be paying some amount there to study, and that should again yield profits for you in a knowledge point of view. Now we're talking about how will you be into an MBA. So an MBA minimum requires 2 years of experience in Germany. Actually, not really 2. Some universities prefer 2, but it is more the merrier if you have 3 or 4 years of experience. So 3 or 4 years of experience is like wow, because education is important, of course, but experience gives you practicality of your subject. So you cannot go without work experience. Even in your home country, every MBA, every good institute that provides MBA will of course ask you for a work experience. So a work experience again is required in Germany too. Now let's talk about subjects and exam patterns. Talking about the subjects and how the pattern of exam is going to be, let me talk about the subjects first. The subjects here are corporate finance, leadership, change management, marketing, managerial economics. Now I'm saying marketing because someone can be specialized in marketing. You can have specializations after your second semester maybe, and the semester is divided into 3. For most universities it can differ again. So the exam pattern is like 3 semesters, out of which 2 semesters is your basic semester, and third semester, after the third semester you can write your thesis, and you can complete your course with the thesis. Now just let's think about it this way, that an MBA will not get you knowledge overnight. It will not be infectious overnight. Anywhere in your home country, in Germany, knowledge is important. What will land you to a place where you can earn is again knowledge. It is not a degree. So it again depends a lot how efficient you are, or how infectious you are to do that job, or are you even that competent enough to do the job, because competition is everywhere. You need to stand out from the crowd. So again, that is important. Okay, so talking about the ranking of MBAs, I would basically say that ranking doesn't really matter, because say for example, you've come from in your hometown, you've come from a local college, so they don't really give you that sort of dignity, or that they don't give you that sort of recognition, I would say, because recognition is you get recognition when you do an MBA from a good college or a good MBA institution. That's where you but doing an MBA from a reputed or named college or an institution doesn't make you eligible for securing a job. For securing a good job, you will first have to enhance your skills. You have to first do some internships or jobs or work experience basically. So that again really matters. So rankings for me, or in the German universities, probably do not matter. You need to be skillful enough to secure a job. Talking about the attendance, now again that can be an issue, because you need work experience, but you need the work experience before. But talking about the attendance actually can be dependent on the university, because most German universities prefer students to report to colleges, and study in the situation, not virtually or something like that. You have to visit the campus to study. Now, attendance is, again, I would say in simple words, it is compulsory. You may have sessions, morning sessions, and then a large gap, and then evening sessions. So you can expect late night classes too, because you have a nice amount of gap in the two sessions, in the morning and the evening session. So that again can be expected. So attendance is basically compulsory. You have to report to the college to attend lectures. Talking about campus placements, as any other country, any other MBA institution in Germany will have a placement cell, or a cell that is responsible for providing you a job. So the placement cell basically will tell you that there is a job in so and so company, and you will have to go and report to the company. So it is not very handy that they will be providing you the opportunity, but you have to take an initiative and go to the job place and apply for the job. So this is all about German universities, MBA in German universities probably. And let's see how informative this video was. You can comment down and tell me. Next video would be coming up soon. Thank you for watching.
Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. We care for your future. Contact us for a counseling session.